Welcome to Mrs. Milligan's Art Studio. Thank you for joining my channel. I will be here to help teach you how to learn to draw, to paint, and have a love of art. So today we're going to do an easy origami box that you can put your polymer clay in. You'll be making a box that has a top and a bottom and add scrunchy paper too. So take your two pieces of paper. The only thing is they have to be a 1/2 inch different, and one's going to be the top and one will be the bottom of your box. Step 1. The most important thing about doing your origami box is the creasing. So you take and fold it to the edge and crease it really well. Then you're going to turn it and do the same thing. Fold it, go all the way to the edge, and crease it really well. So now you have a middle. Take each corner and fold it into the middle, and remember, crease it really well. Go back and forth and just keep folding and creasing in on each side, folding into the middle. Now you take each side and fold it into that midpoint, and you're going to have to crease it, remember. So turn it, crease it, fold it, crease it, turn it, fold it, crease it, turn it, fold it, crease it. Now open and top and the bottom crease, and I forgot to show you this. It's helpful if you fold the sides in and fold them again like it pictured above, and I do it later on in the video. But then this tab wants to go in on the inside. Put your fingers on visualize the bottom of the box, put your fingers on the corner of the box and fold that in. Now you might need to add some tape later. If the paper doesn't stick, you just put it right in the center. Now you've created the bottom of your box. You guessed it, step 2. Take the larger piece of paper and follow all the steps again. You got this, artist. Turn it until you find the sides that fit together. Congratulations! So these origami boxes are great for anything. However, they're also nice to take home your polymer clay project. Make sure you get some shredded paper. I usually have you roll it into a little ball, spread it out, make like a little nest, and then get your little polymer clay project. Be careful with it. Place it right in the middle of that box. Yay! And then put the lid on, and you're ready to take it home. Nice job, artist. Don't forget, handle with care. They're very fragile. I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe to Mrs. Milligan's Art Studio.